Alright, so I got the diff axles, the old transmission cooler out. I did take this True Cool out of there. I think I'm just going to throw this thing away because the torque converter bearing that failed sent metal through the whole thing. So I might just toss this. But other than that, got all the wiring and everything out. And then I did mark and save all the wires over here, just so I can possibly tie this back in if I want to. I'm probably going to keep the fuse box there because everything's integrated and it still works. Like the tach, coolant signal, all the gauges, everything still works there. And it controls the blower box for the AC and the heat. I do want to put AC back in this, or that's kind of the plan, so I might try to put a stock box back in there because you have the factory heater core there and the box goes over it and it has the evaporator for the AC and everything in the unit. The problem is that it sticks out really far and it has the dryer on it that also sticks out kind of where the turbo and the downpipe would be. So I might get one just to test fit it and see if I can get it to work. If not, I might just gut the dash and then do like a vintage air kit or something and then just kind of plumb everything straight back in there, and then I could just block this off and not have to worry about it, and then do bulkheads for all the wiring and stuff just in a plate. So next video I'll probably be working on like gutting the front of this or figuring this out because I want to have this whole section removable, so I'll be figuring out what I want to do with that. And then I also got the pistons and rods in, so I'm going with the Summit Pro LS pistons and rods. There's a piston next to a factory 6-liter piston. So I am going to go with a 5.3. I'm going to pick up an aluminum block, and this is a 5 over piston, so it's 5 thousandths over. So just to clean up the boards a little bit on whatever block I find, I might pick one up tonight or sometime pretty soon. Got all the rods, got the pistons. It does have the pins, the retainers, and the rings, but I just got to get some bearings and stuff for it and then figure out where I want to take it to machine shop. I'll probably try to get that dropped off this week sometime and get that stuff done just in case it takes a while to do it. But other than that, that's it for this one.